Acer's running to get Ace. Can you see him? Rabbit, rabbit! The sounds of home. You do notice the slushing sounds too, don't you? Cagney's looking for her mama. Her mama's outside the fence. We can hear her hunting something. She'll be all right if she doesn't chase something across the road. She'll be fine. Gentle! Hey! Home sweet home. And I'm working on the fence. Get down, babe. New heavier duty fencing. So maybe this time when I patch a hole, it'll stay for a while. How about that? All right. Laughing Dog Farm. Over and out.